Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Commerce Student. This channel is dedicated to commerce studies. Today in this video, I will give you a basic introduction about the meaning and concept of commerce. As a student of commerce, it's very important to understand the meaning of commerce. With this, I will start the video and let's look at the topics we will cover. First, I will explain what is commerce along with some examples, then key elements of commerce, types, and subjects to study in commerce. Now let's start with the concept. What is commerce? So commerce is very much linked to business, industry, trade. All of these are interconnected with each other. Commerce serves as the backbone to business world. Both are coexistent. Business start because of commerce, grow because of commerce, and earn profit because of commerce. So they are interlinked. But commerce is an activity and business is actually a forum by which this activity is performed. Okay? Here I mentioned commerce as an activity. But what kind of activity is it? Let's find out. So commerce is an activity of buying and selling of goods and services, and it also should involve money. If there is an exchange of goods and services, on the other hand, there should be an exchange of money. Okay? It includes all the activities, processes, and systems so that goods and services are transferred between individuals, businesses, or government. And it involves transactions and interactions between buyers and sellers. Transaction is simply an exchange of goods and services for cash, for money. Okay? Let's look at this illustration. As you can see here, the seller provides goods to buyer and buyer provides money in return. So there is interaction going on, which is commerce. Let me give you an example of it. For example, a farmer grows corn and sells to a grocery store, which then sells it to customers. So two things happen in this example. First is the exchange of goods, which is corn, and second is the exchange of money. Coming to the key elements of commerce: trade, finance, marketing, transportation and logistics, and communication. Let me define them. Trade. So trade is actually the process in which this transaction of goods and services happen. Okay? It's all about sale, transfer, or exchange of goods and services for a certain price. It is done locally, nationally, and globally. Finance is all about money. Because of it, commerce exists. When there is money, transaction can occur, and when there is transaction, commerce can happen. Marketing. It's very important because it deals with how to promote, advertise, as well as sell goods or services. And it involves how to identify customers' needs and satisfy them through sale. Transportation and logistics is all about the distribution channels, the delivery of goods from the places of production to the places of distribution. If your system is very efficient, it will enable timely delivery, reduce costs, and enhance the overall efficiency of commerce. And at the last, communication. It is about the flow or exchange of information, ideas, etc. among individuals, businesses, and customers. A good communication system facilitates coordination, negotiation, and collaboration in transactions. Now let's discuss the subjects. See, commerce is a very unique stream. It's a very dynamic stream. It consists of a pool of subjects. Some are very much important, some are practical, and some are theoretical. First and the most important is accountancy. This subject deals with the day-to-day recording of transactions in a business. It simply means to keep a proper record of transactions which can be expressed in terms of money. So they are called financial transactions. And students have to prepare various statements such as profit and loss account, balance sheet, journal entries, ledger accounts, etc. Business studies is all about the fundamentals, basics of business management. Okay? Like you get to know about the organizational structure, marketing, finance, etc. Entrepreneurship teaches you about the concepts, skills needed to start and manage a business. The subject of economics is all about the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Business law is about the study of different laws related to business transactions and activities, such as company law, Consumer Protection Act, contracts, agreements, etc. Marketing is how to promote and sell your goods and services, and it includes market research, consumer behavior, advertising, etc. And in finance, you have to explore the management of money as well as investments. So students learn about share markets, banks, etc. So apart from these subjects, there are some other subjects also. But depending upon your syllabus and class level, you study them. So that's it for today. If you want to support, please subscribe the channel, like and share. See you in next video.